dance was the center of attention at a New York City public park last week. For its 32nd year, the Battery Dance Company and the IAAC held its Downtown Dance Festival, showcasing international talent from all over the world.
We're at the wonderful 6th annual Erasing Borders Festival of Indian Dance. It is an amazing day. We've had a fabulous concert, and as you can see, the dancers are being crowded by people who just adore what they've done. The last Tarana took it all. It was just fantastic.
I danced Mohiniyattam, the South Indian classical dance form from Kerala, which literally translates into dance of the divine enchantress. What a great initiative taken some 15 years ago by a group of very enthusiastic community here, both the Indian and the American community, spearheaded by Arun Shivdasani, to showcase some of the most beautiful Indian classical dance forms in this country. It was a wonderful and a very special experience to perform, to dance open air and share the passion that we have for our dance forms.
This dance form is called Odissi, which comes from the eastern state of India called Orissa. As per the archaeological evidences, this dance form happens to be the most ancient among state schools of Indian classical dance, which was being performed by temple dancers, female temple dancers who were consecrated to the temple. Around the 1940s, this dance got revived from the temples, brought out of the temples, and was placed all over, where performers performed this dance style all over the world. This is an amazing festival, Erasing Borders especially, and today being a very significant day, as 15th August is the Indian Independence Day, when we have India come down to America with its rich cultural heritage, and we have been given a chance to perform here. It's kind of erasing borders, decreasing the link between India and America. It's amazing to have performed here.
So though our main focus is the classical form of Kuchipudi, we do a lot of distinctive folk, especially from Rajasthan. I had personally gone and spent a few weeks there with the Snake Charmers tribes, the Kalbelias, and I brought back some of their very distinctive dances. Kalbelia is one of them. We have more dances like the Matka Bhavai and the Tera Tali and all that. So we're trying to give folk dance a platform, national platform also.
I'm presenting Kathak in this one. Kathak is the only classical dance form is having two distinct styles, which is Muslim and Hindu. I'm specialized in Lucknow style, which speak about the Muslim aspects and influence of Indian dances. I have presented my technical portion, and then after that I have presented my one piece. Is a Sufi composition by Bulle Shah, in where is the meaning of Tere Ishq Nachaya Karke Thaya Thaya, which means this is you only who would make me dance, and I cannot stop myself to dancing.
And this is just the kickoff of our 15th anniversary. This is the first thing we're doing, 3 days dance festival. Then we've got book launches, we've got a film festival, we've got theatre productions for the rest of the year. We've got all sorts of fabulous things. So look out for them. On the 21st of November, we've got an enormous celebration of our 15th year. So look out for it. Thank you for being at the Dance Festival.
Battery Park was the first stop on the 3-day Erasing Borders Dance Festival organized by the Indo-American Arts Council. To learn more, go to www.iaac.us.